everyone, welcome to Sticks and Stones Wood Carving. I'm Kevin, back with another pattern video. This one's going to be of a Santa ornament. It's Santa week, this week on Sticks and Stones. We're going to do a nice little Santa. I make this guy out of basswood. I keep him pretty round so he's pretty easy to do. Alright, you saw the picture in the beginning of the video, and I'll post it again at the end. And very simple, real easy. And it's a nice little seller. What I usually do on the top is I just stick an eye hook in the thing, and then I make some hand twisted rope or cord, and you hang them on the tree. They're great little items. They sell like crazy at craft shows and the flea market. Online on eBay I sold a lot of them. So let's begin. I'll show you how quick and easy he is and how fun he is to make. Okay, what we're going to do is start, and I keep these pretty round. They're not real pointy hats or anything. Okay, so you're going to come up here and make a basic hat. We're going to come down. We're going to come up here to the top. And we're going to come down on the other side. And I keep this pretty round. Okay. And just come up. And then right here, I form the bottom of what would be his hat. Okay. Now you can point the hat off up here. You can point that a little bit more, but I'm taking it right off of the picture so you can get to see what he looks like when he's carved. And sometimes I just don't have time to do that much carving to point it down, so I keep it rounded. Alright, so there you go. This right here is going to be all fur. Okay, so that's all that is. So I'm scribbling for. This right here is the white part of his hat. Okay, from underneath there we're just going to come down. This, think of a basic stick. Right, he's kind of rounded on the bottom so he can even stand up. We come up here and do the same thing. Just come down and touch. Alright, now right from underneath his hat, it's a real simple design. We're just going to draw a line like that. Come up here, draw another line. Okay, and I'd put his eyebrows right underneath that line. Here's one. And do another one like this. Two. Okay. And then I draw two eyes. One here. And then same thing on this side, you know. Just anywhere you can fit them, draw another one. Okay. Now his nose is going to come down about here. And we're just going to make a small little round ball. Now this right here you can bring down like this. Start it up here and point, go up inside before you carve. Right, now you can give him his basic lines, little eye bags. Right, from the side of the nose we're going to join the cheek right underneath the hair. We're just going to tuck it up. Over here the same thing, come down and we're going to just tuck it up under his hair. Right, not like that. Sorry, I'm looking in the camera and drawing and making sure I can get it on the camera, and I missed my line. So that's all there is to that. Right, now these are two straight lines for his mouth. Just from here, just come down. Same thing on this side. Now you can animate that any way you want. I just bring them over to the sides and then just kind of run the mustache like that right into the side. Okay. Pick up the line from his nose right here. Just draw it over. Same over here. Draw it over. Now all this right here is hair. All this is hair. Of course his mustache is all hair. And this right here you're painting as hair too. Okay, so the whole thing, he has one little tiny lip. That's it. Okay, and I make beady eyes on this guy. Right, this right here would be hair. A couple lines insinuate hair over here. Now all of this is hair. The whole rest of the stick, I just paint all this white after I carve whatever lines I'm going to carve. Okay, just make sure you undercut under here, and you got yourself a nice little ornament that stands up or hangs. You could put your little eye hook up here, you know. He's got a little hook. You can literally just, I used to literally just take eye hooks, drill it into the top, and then stick a little cord on it. You know, a little knotted cord, or ribbon, or whatever. You know, and that right there was my ornament. Paint his hat red, paint this white, all of this is white. The only thing red on this guy, he's got a little blush on his cheeks, and he's got a red hat. And you'll see in the picture. And there's a nice little Santa ornament you can do. You can blast these out over and over. Like I said, you can adjust his hat so it doesn't look as, kind of looks almost pornographic there. Sorry about that, but that's the way I actually made the carving, because I didn't want to point the hat. I made him out of I think a basic stick, and it was so much work just with my knife, whittling and whittling, trying to get all this pointed. So I just kind of rounded everything off, but he come out looking really neat, as you'll see in the picture. So I'll show the picture now. You saw it at the beginning of the video. Sorry, can't talk today. And that's going to be our, what's that, I believe our third pattern this week. So we'll get to another one, and we'll start doing some wood spirits too after this. But I'm going to do a lot of these videos, and like I said, if you ever want a pattern, I put the link in the description. You can send me an email requesting a pattern. You send $1 to my Sticks and Stones account. I'll be glad to email you a pattern. All you have to do is just download the thing and print it out. Otherwise, draw your own. It's actually fun to draw your own. Hopefully this will give you ideas to make your own too. Okay, I'll be back in the next video with another pattern. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then. Bye-bye now.